Now that I've got all the handles cut up, I'm going to mark up the hollow section and I'm just going to cut it with a grinder. How deep we going? 20 mil. I've cut out all of the hollow section for the pans, and now I've got some sheet. This is just 0.7 mil, and I'm going to use this just to cut out the bases. The reason I'm using thin sheet is so I can get some tin snips around it. All I'm going to do is line up the hollow section on the sheet and just doodly-do around it. And then I'm, of course, going to cut to the inside of the line so that it fits. So now that we've got the actual tea light wax burners complete and the pots, we can move on to painting.